When we think of a desert, we often imagine endless sand. But in reality, a desert isn't just a hot place. It's mainly a region where it rains very little. So, why do some places become deserts? Near the tropics, warm air rises and then sinks again farther away, becoming very dry. When this dry air reaches the ground, it prevents clouds from forming. Result: almost no rain. That's why many large deserts are found near the tropics, like the Sahara or the Arabian Desert. Mountains also play an important role. When moist air comes from the sea and hits a mountain range, it rises, cools, and releases most of its rain on one side. On the other side, the air comes down dry. This area becomes a rain shadow desert. This phenomenon occurs in several regions around the world. Some deserts form near coastlines. Cold ocean currents cool the air above the sea. This air becomes heavy and stays close to the ground, without forming clouds. That's how coastal deserts exist. And yes, there are cold deserts too. In Antarctica or Greenland, it's so cold that almost no moisture circulates. It barely snows. These are deserts as well. So deserts aren't all the same. Some are hot, others cold, some sandy, others rocky. They form because of climate, mountains, and even oceans. Understanding this helps us better protect these fragile environments